Hi guys, today we talk about how can you choose who can send you a message on your TikTok app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is to just go down here, you click your own profile down here, then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go up, you click here in this sign here in up, then it's going to show for you this like this, then you just click here on settings and privacy here. So just switching to open video like this, you just click here on privacy here. So then you go down, you click here on messaging here. So then you click here on messaging here. So in here, can you choose who can send you messages on your TikTok app? If you want to add everyone or suggested friends or friends on no one, here can you choose. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.